In this video, I'll show you how to set video as wallpaper on PC. This video is only for educational purposes, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Watch this video from the beginning to the very end so as you understand everything you need to know. So the very first step you need to do, go to your Microsoft Store and install the Lively wallpaper here on your PC. So I made a video on that. Make sure you go watch and get to learn everything you need to know. So mine is currently installed. This is why it's showing up on, and this is it currently here on my PC. So once you have installed it, make sure you have installed it. So open it up. So I'm going to open mine up. So these are different wallpapers here. These are different wallpapers. So let's say if you love to use one as video. So I'm going to just use this for an example now. Click on this. Click on set as wallpaper. So if I go back to my desktop background, you're going to be able to see this is what is going to be showing up, right? Because we have it already here on our PC. So I'm going to go back now. I'm going to select a new one. Click on this plus. I want to use a new one. I'll click on choose a file. So I want to select, let me say, okay, I want to select this one. Click on open. So it's gonna load up. Once it has loaded up, I'll click on OK. So you're gonna be able to see a green bar is gonna be loading till it reaches the very end. So just wait for it to reach the end. Yeah, so it has just reached the end. And next we're gonna be using this for an example, and I'm going to show you that this really works if you have followed everything I just showed you in this video. Okay, so this is it. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on set as wallpaper. So I'm going to go back to our desktop to show you that everything I did just worked out perfectly fine. So if you found this video helpful, share this video to your friends who need to see this. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe and like this video.